Hello everyone. Welcome to my live. So today's live, we are here at the beach resorts. The beautiful beach resorts here and Jeddah. So nasa Dora Beach kami. Dora Beach ba to? Yan. Ayan, ngayon ay hindi siya yun no, ang ganda ng isda. Yun, maraming isda oh. Look, the fish. Ayan. Ayan, may fish. Ang dami. Oh, look. Ayan sila, oh. Ayun sila. Ayan, yung fish. Ayan, naglangoy-langoy sila. Ang linaw ng tubig. Gusto ko mag-swimming, kaso lang wala akong kasama. Okay. So, ayan, may jet ski. If you want to ride the jet ski. Okay. Ayan. Ang ganda ng weather. Mi, tali na. Ayan. Yan o yung mga isda oh. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ayan sila. Ayan yung isda. Look, Mimi, tali na mi. Fish oh. Ayan. Ang cute ng fish. Mi, come here, Mi, oh. Look at the fish, Mi. Oh, fish. Ayan sila. Okay. Yan. Tali na. Yan, may pusa. Tali na, look at the fish, oh. Come here, Subi. A lot of fish. Look. Uy, so big. Yeah, look, Mimi, come here. Look. Ayan. Come here, oh. Look. Wala kami papakain ng yan, oh. Look, oh.
Sagir?
Yeah, sagir. Oh, hello. Oh. Yeah, she want it, but we don't have food for them. Ayan. Yan sila. Oh,
Cute.
yeah, cute.
Marag yun.
Ayan, oh, ang black.